Tools section. The tools or hand tools are a simple machine which facilitates the human to work better, faster and effectively. Components section. It is must to know the instruments one uses to create a project. The Components section is to display all the components in different variants, which is handy for the kids. Soldering section. Soldering is a process in which two or more items are joined together by melting and putting a filler metal into the joint, the filler metal having a lower melting point than the adjoining metal. Idea wall. Idea wall is for those enthusiastic kids who have ideas to present and can become one of the wonders. Media wall. A wall to exhibit the achievements of the Robochamps and also inspire the kids learning robotics to see their name on the wall one day. News section. Technology is advancing daily, and as being in the core of it, this section updates the kids with news related to robotics on a regular basis. Project section. Several projects to cover before becoming a Robochamp. Hence, a project will be displayed for the kids to understand its components and the circuit diagram. Roadmap. A journey is all that leads us to our destination. Emoji section. Children have lots of thoughts when entering the room, working on a project as well as while leaving. This section is designed to understand their emotions accordingly. Safety equipments. Every project is incomplete without safety equipment and instructions. The safety wall has a set of rules to be abided by children while working on a project.